issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, central Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Owensboro, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazard wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Owensboro, Whitesville, Knottsville, Masonville, and Mosleyville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 165 between mile marker 62 and 70. Audubon Parkway between mile markers 19 and 23. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. for the following county: Spencer, Indiana, and Davis, Kentucky.